Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how to replace your shift knob. I got the stock shift knob. This is a 2016 Toyota Tacoma Limited 4x4. I'm going to replace the shift knob with TRD Pro. So I picked this up for pretty cheap. I like the way it looks. It's pretty simple. Push this down, it'll pop off, and you just twist off the top knob. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. And it's off. Grab the new one, put it on there. Feels pretty good. And clip it on up. That's how you install a TRD Pro shift knob. Like the video if you want to see more.